In this video, we will be talking about how to customize your lock screen on the new Ledger Stax and the new Ledger Flex using the PC Ledger Live app and how to do it on the Ledger Live mobile phone app. But first, if you are interested in picking up one of the new Ledger devices or any of the Ledger devices, feel free to use the link in the description below. You get a $10 kickback, I get a $10 kickback, it helps us both out and it's a win-win situation. Now back to the video. So one quick warning, if you were planning to use an NFT, at this point in time, it will only take Ethereum-based NFTs and Polygon-based NFTs if you want to use them on the lock screen. Unfortunately, I mainly use Solana ones and they will not work. So just as a heads up before we get started. All right, so first things first, we are going to scroll down here to where it says My Ledger. Please make sure your Ledger Stax or Flex is already plugged into the computer. Once it does that, you are going to possibly get asked for your passcode. If you do, put your passcode in. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to scroll up right over here to where it says Lock Screen Picture. Once you tap that, it will give you two options, upload an image from your computer or choose an NFT. If we choose an NFT, we will tap over here. It will show us what NFTs we have available. And then once we tap it, it will let you choose the NFT. At this point, you can shift it around to crop it however you want, hit confirm, and it will let you basically pick which shade you want in the e-ink. Once you have that picked, you can hit confirm contrast. Then on the device, it is going to pop up asking you to load the lock screen picture, and you are going to hit load picture. By doing so, it will give that image showing that it's being installed, and then it will give you the option to either keep or discard it. We are going to keep it. All right, now it's time for mobile. So the first thing we are going to take a look at is bottom right where it says My Ledger. You are going to tap on the Stax or Flex, mine says J-Money Crypto, and then accept it on the device. Once you do, it will load you in and you'll see a lock screen picture. You will tap that and hit replace, and then it will let you choose NFT or picture from gallery. I'm going to pick the same NFT I'd used from the computer, and we are going to set as lock screen. Now it will let us confirm our crop, move it around, and it will let us choose our contrast again. Then we will hit set as lock screen. Once we do that, it will have you confirm on the device itself. And once you do that, it downloads it to the device, and that is that. We're just going to tap keep, and we officially have it. And we will be ending this video with my permanent lock screen, and that is Larry, the bestest of boys, the best trans-dimensional fox. And if you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.